and welcome to my channel. My name is Lizzie and this is Sleek Notch Solutions, where we learn basic DIYs on fabric, flowers and also household crafts. If you're coming across my video for the first time, please just take a quick pause and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and also thank you to all my returning subscribers. I love you guys. So today we'll be making this beautiful rose flower. I already have a video like this on my channel. I'll be dropping the link to that video in the description box. So this is another method of making the flower, though it has slight difference, but it will still have almost close to the same result. So I'm using the measurement of 8 centimeter on all the sides to cut out this flower. So we are just going to cut that out now using 8 centimeter on all sides, 8 centimeter and not inches. So I'm just going to cut that out and then confirm the measurement to be sure that it's correct before making the folds for the flower. So after confirming it, one was 8 centimeter 0.5, so I had to reduce it again and then confirmed it and it was correct. So we'll just go ahead now to cut the remaining fabric the same way using that 8 centimeter measurement. After cutting out the fabric, this is what we have. So we'll go ahead to fold it now. We just fold it into two. This is the first one and the second fold, and then you put your hand needle through that. I forgot to mention the materials we need for this flower. We need 2 hand needles and then your fabric of choice, not a stretchy fabric, of course. You can use a stretchy fabric to make this flower design. So you'll be needing a satin fabric, duchess, any fabric that is not too lightweight and is not too stretchy, that is not stretchy. That's the kind of fabric you can use for that. So after stitching the up parts with our hand needle, all of them, I stitched about 22 pieces of this fold fabric. So we'll just arrange it accordingly. Make sure you arrange it very well, not to miss any one, so it will avoid you from starting from the beginning again. So you don't want to go through all that stress for nothing. So just arrange it accordingly without missing anyone, and then flip it over to the other side so we can sew the down part with the second hand needle. The first hand needle is still on the fabric. You don't cut that out until you are done with everything you're making. So you just leave the first hand needle there, and then we'll start with the second one. I started the second line from where I stopped the first one. So that's how you start the down part. From where you stopped the upper part, you start the down part from there. Now this part we are sewing currently will be the base for this flower, and the first part we sewed is the upper part where we are going to attach our bead or button for this. So this is me just sewing the down part of it now, and we just sew that through. That's the reason why we had to arrange it from the beginning, so you won't have to miss a line. So as you're sewing, you are arranging it accordingly so you won't miss it. Just keep watching. Okay, so we are done sewing the down part of it now. We'll just flip it up, and we have our 2 needles on it. So we'll go ahead now to close it up. So we use the first needle, which is the upper part, the one for the upper part. You put it through the first fold in the upper part, and then you take the down one and put it through this first fold for the down part of it. Now the reason why we had to start sewing from where we ended the first one was for it to give us this shape that it's going to give us at the bottom part. once I drag the thread. So this is the reason why we had to start it from where we ended the first one. So it's going to give you this shape, and it makes your flower look really, really nice. If you do it the same way, it won't come out this fine. It will just be normal and straight. So this makes it more finer and gives it more structure. So we'll just go ahead now to tie our thread. I'll start tying the down part first, and make sure you drag your thread very well before you tie it so your flower won't scatter. Just make sure you drag the thread very well. Make sure the thread is doubled when you are doing this. Don't use the single thread, so you can actually drag it and tie it very tight. So I've tied the down part. Now I'm going ahead to do the same thing for the upper part before putting our button in on it. So you tie it first, make sure it's very tight, then before you go ahead to put your button on it. So this is what we have. Our flower is looking very fine. So we'll go ahead now to attach our button, and our flower is ready. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. I will be glad to reply. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. And also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel. See you next in my next video. Bye bye.